Hello students, this video is part 2 of our series on PowerPoint presentations. It will walk you through designing an effective presentation. We're going to talk about design, fonts, colors, text, and images. When creating a new PowerPoint presentation, start with a blank presentation and click Design. Pick a design that fits your audience. There are many options to choose from very busy designs to fairly plain ones. If you're going to have a lot of pictures on a slide, I would suggest a slide like this one with a pop of color on the sides and some heavy white space in the middle where you can showcase your images. You can change the color of your slides and the different designs by either using the designer options here or the different variants on the toolbar. If you want different colors than the 4 shown here, you can just use the drop-down menu to pick from a variety of different colors. For my slideshow, I'm going to use yellow-orange because I know that these tones will not clash with the images that I am using. Here is our PowerPoint with a standard color scheme throughout. For content slides, if you want some layout variety, click the Designer button on the Home tab and choose one of the designs on the right. The key is to stick with the colors, fonts, and designs that PowerPoint chooses. They are always going to match. I'm not much of a fan of this green design, but I do like this one or this one. Now let's look at our content and text slide. Remember this one? It had a lot of text. The key is to reduce the text to a few key points. In this example, bread, cheese, butter, and other stuff are bullets to prompt us to verbally explain about the type of bread and cheese combos and the added ingredients. You can add your notes or your verbal prompts in the notes field to leave the slide free of excess text. Finally, let's talk about images. Make sure the image you are using is big enough and clear. Remember our stretched out image? It started out as a small image, like this one. If you want to reduce or enlarge an image, make sure to pull the image by the corners instead of the sides to retain integrity. When you pull from the sides, you get that stretched out effect that you do not want. The original image I used here is too small to enlarge. When you do, you get this blurry and pixelated effect that you see here. It's always better to start with an image that is too large and reduce it. This way, you are not losing any of the integrity of the image and it remains clear and crisp. You can also enhance images by using the picture format option to add cool borders, like this rounded border with the shadow on the bottom, or a drop shadow rectangle, or some faded soft edges. Any of these would enhance your photo and make it pop a little bit more. As you assemble your PowerPoint, you may need to add photo credits and citations. The next video in this series will teach you how to do that. Also, don't forget to contact the librarian if you need help.